Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I lay the synthetic 613 frontal lace wig. I got this wig from the hair store. I couldn't find the link online, so I will be inserting a picture so you can get one too. I also found a very similar wig on Amazon, so I will be putting the link to that in the description box. There's a bunch of great reviews on this wig also, so yeah, if you want to see how I melt this wig, keep on watching. Okay, so over here, I just decided to pluck the front of the wig a little bit. I didn't go too overboard just because I didn't care that much. It didn't need that much work, so yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. The wig I got was 28 inches, and I think that's pretty long for a wig, so I decided to cut it a little bit, and because the ends were kind of getting frizzy, so yeah. Now I'm just cleaning off the excess glue and adding a little bit of hair wax to the top. I did not put any heat on this wig just because I feel like once you add heat to synthetic wigs, the texture changes, and I feel like this wig really didn't need any heat because it was already straight.